Okay, this unit doesn't appear to be too old. It's already is not being well cared for. Checked power. We are not getting anything, so the switch may need to be adjusted properly. Also, we're having a problem with the locking mechanism. It's worn out. Also, we're gonna have wheel issues soon if they don't wipe off the excess water or solution that happens to be in there. Unit has to be wiped down and kept clean. Also, another thing they should be doing to prevent rust on the bottom is placing a piece of wood to keep the machine elevated off the floor so it can dry. See, it's already getting rusted. So this also has to be cleaned out upon completion. See how all this water, excess water, it's just continuing to eat through. So this has to be taken care of as part of aftercare on these units. This is the valve test. So, getting the clean water in here to check the valve to see if it's leaking. And so far it's holding. Now, it's very important not to leave any type of chemical in here because the valve will deteriorate and the seals will go, and then you'll have leaking all over your floors. So right now, it's leaking. I can actually see it going through the tubing, so we're gonna have to replace this. Okay, opened up. I didn't have any power down to the bottom, but once I opened up this neutral wire, it got hot and it started melting the tape. So something took off thermally and it should have blown a wall breaker, but I'm seeing water that has been spilled on top of this cover. What happens is enough water goes in, it goes through the screw holes and it goes into the motor, shorts it. Measuring the voltage, now that I pulled off the bad spots, that's good voltage. Now we got to get it all back together. Okay, from here we got an inner cover. Water's been getting into there, and this is where the water's been going through. So that's what caused the short in the rectifier that's inside here. We're going to change it out, see if the motor fires up. Okay, so cord's bad. And quite possibly the handle cord too, so I'm going to use an extension cord. Now, with the rectifier being replaced, the old rectifier blew out the speed control, which is this right here. Notice we can't change it. The speed. That's what happens when the rectifier blows. The current blows the resistor, and that's what happens. That's